So this is examples class 6, using uniform and normal distributions, so continuous distributions, to solve problems, including inverse normal problems and some rescaling and sums of random variables. So on to example 1, which makes use of the uniform distribution to solve a problem. Here we're looking at where the silver coin is in the Christmas pudding. And of course here the Christmas pudding is a uniform, continuous amount of space, and that silver coin could be anywhere within it. So if we take the largest slice here, defined by 60-degree angle at the center of the circle, what's the probability that we're lucky that we get the coin? So to solve this problem, we need to be looking at the uniform distribution, and our uniform distribution for this whole circle of the Christmas pudding will be over the interval between 0 and 360. That's a whole circle in angles in degrees. So over the interval 0 to 360 degrees. And normally we would write that distribution, we draw a little diagram where that interval goes from 0 to 360 degrees on the horizontal axis. And of course that means if we have that total area for the interval as being 1, then the value on the right-hand side there, or the left-hand side, on the vertical scale is 1 divided by 360. This is often called the y-scale, or the probability distribution. So this is the probability. So now when we're calculating the probability of being lucky, that probability of being lucky is that the coin is within that 60-degree interval. So that 60-degree interval can be anywhere inside of the rectangle. But what we do know is its width is 60 degrees. And so what we're trying to calculate here is the area of that 60-degree section of the pudding. So shaded there in red. So to find the probability of getting the coin in that area, all we're looking at here, from the formula, we can write that formula down as b minus a divided by d minus c. Recalling here that b minus a will be the width of the interval that we're interested in, and d minus c will be the width of the whole interval over which the uniform distribution is defined. So b minus a in this case is 60 degrees, and the whole interval is defined 360 degrees. So that probability very simply is 1 out of 6, 60 out of 360, simplified as 1 over 6. And that's the end of example 1.